Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best golf club glue is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in a golfer's arsenal, but it's absolutely essential for keeping your clubs in top shape. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, knowing how to choose the right adhesive can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration on the course. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of golf club glue, exploring the different types, their uses, and how to pick the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Brampton ProFix Quick Cure Golf Epoxy. Tired of waiting around for your golf clubs to be fixed? This product is engineered for quick golf club repair, getting you back on the course fast. It's the perfect solution for any golfer. With a 5-minute work life, you have enough time to repair or build up to 3 golf clubs before it starts to cure. This allows for efficient repairs, saving you time and effort. It's designed to make your repair process smooth. This epoxy is engineered for the high impact of golf shafts and heads, withstanding swing speeds up to 125 miles per hour. The extra strength ensures your clubs stay together, even with powerful swings. It's built to last. Designed by professional club makers and a chemical engineer, this product is unlike any other golf glue or epoxy. It's a professional-grade solution for all your club repair needs. Trust the choice of the pros. Manufactured in the USA with the highest quality standards, this product offers reliability and performance. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship. It's a product you can depend on. What we like. This epoxy offers a super fast cure time, getting you back on the course in no time. Its impact resistance ensures your clubs can handle those powerful swings. If you're looking for a quick fix and don't want to wait, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The Brampton ProFix Quick Cure Golf Epoxy is a fantastic product for anyone who needs to repair their golf clubs with confidence. The instructions are clear, and a 30-minute cure time is perfect, not so fast that you feel rushed, but quick enough to get back to using your clubs in a reasonable time. The epoxy creates a strong, durable bond that feels just like the original factory connection. Number 4. Brampton ProFix Long Cure Golf Epoxy. Building a full set of golf clubs can be time-consuming. But with this epoxy, you get a generous 20-minute work life. This allows you to build a full set of clubs with ease. Golf clubs endure significant stress during a swing. This epoxy is engineered to withstand high impacts and swing speeds exceeding 130 miles per hour. It ensures your clubs stay intact, round after round. Need an epoxy that can handle the power of a long drive? This product offers extreme bond strength. It's the preferred choice for long drive competitions, guaranteeing a secure and lasting bond. This epoxy wasn't just made, it was designed by professional club makers and a chemical engineer. It's unlike any other golf glue or epoxy on the market. Trust the expertise behind this product. Quality matters, and this product is made in the USA. Manufactured by Brampton Technology, it adheres to the highest quality standards. You can be confident in its performance and reliability. What we like. With a longer work life, this epoxy is ideal for building or repairing a full set of clubs. It's engineered for extreme durability and bond strength, perfect for those high-impact shots. If you're assembling a whole set or play in long drive competitions, you'll appreciate the extra time and strength this provides. What people say. Had just enough time to get it aligned and the next day it had a rock-solid hold. This epoxy let me work the whole set on one mix and seems to have held up well while playing the clubs. Will use nothing else, product is great, strong hold, 20 to 24 hour dry time, extremely strong bond, have used for irons, wedges, and a few putter builds along W shaft extensions. Number 3. Brampton ProFix Golf Epoxy. Building a full set of golf clubs can be time-consuming. But with this epoxy, you get a generous 20-minute work life, allowing you to assemble a complete set with ease. This epoxy is engineered to withstand the high impact of golf swings. It's designed to handle swing speeds exceeding 130 miles per hour, ensuring your clubs stay intact. Need extreme bond strength? This product is the preferred choice for long drive competitions. Its powerful formula provides a secure and lasting hold. Designed by professional club makers and a chemical engineer, this epoxy is unlike any other on the market. It's a product created with expertise. Manufactured in the USA, this product adheres to the highest quality standards. You can trust in the quality and reliability of this epoxy. What we like. With a longer work life, this epoxy is ideal for building or repairing a full set of clubs. It's engineered for extreme durability and bond strength, perfect for those high-impact shots. If you're assembling a whole set or play in long drive competitions, you'll appreciate the extra time and strength this provides. What people say. Had just enough time to get it aligned and the next day it had a rock-solid hold. This epoxy let me work the whole set on one mix and seems to have held up well while playing the clubs. Will use nothing else, product is great, strong hold, 20 to 24 hour dry time, extremely strong bond, have used for irons, wedges, and a few putter builds along W shaft extensions. Number 2. Brampton Profix Rapid Cure Golf Epoxy. Tired of waiting around? This epoxy is engineered for rapid golf club repair. It's designed to get you back on the course quickly. With a quick 10-minute cure time, this product is ready when you are. It allows enough time for one club repair before curing. This epoxy is built to last. It's engineered to withstand the high impact of golf swings, with speeds up to 120 miles per hour. Created by professional club makers and a chemical engineer, this product is unlike any other. It's made to meet the highest standards. Proudly made in the USA, this product is manufactured with the highest quality standards. You can trust its reliability. What we like. This epoxy is designed for those quick, single club repairs. It offers a fast cure time, getting you back on the course quickly. If you have a club that needs immediate attention, this is your go-to choice, ensuring a strong bond for those powerful swings. What people say. It was easy to use and the bond held strong for multiple rounds of golf. Used this to extend my golf irons. Have not had a problem for 5 months. I would buy this again. Great product. Worked as needed. Sets fast and the club's holding up. Number 1. Hireko 24-hour golf club shaft epoxy, 8-ounce kit. This 2-part epoxy is designed for golf club assembly and repair. It has a 20-minute set time and fully cures in 24 hours, ensuring a strong bond for your clubs. With a lap shear strength of 3000 psi, it bonds to all golf club and shaft materials. This includes steel, graphite, and extensions, providing a durable connection. The kit contains 2 4-ounce bottles, totaling 8 ounces. This is enough to build over 100 golf clubs, making it a cost-effective solution for both professionals and enthusiasts. The mixing ratio is simple, dispense in a 1-to-1 ratio by volume. Shafting beads are not required unless there's an off-center shaft due to tolerances, simplifying the process. It dries ivory but can be tinted black to hide gaps or for reshafting. This allows you to customize the look of your clubs while ensuring a secure fit. This product is proudly made in the USA. You can trust the quality and reliability of this golf club epoxy for all your repair and assembly needs. What we like. This epoxy provides professional-grade strength for all your club assembly and repair needs. It bonds to all golf club and shaft materials. If you're a club builder or someone who frequently repairs clubs, you'll appreciate the large volume kit and its versatility. What people say. I followed the instructions as normal with mixing golf epoxy, with a 1-to-1 mix ratio using a cardboard mixing board and a slightly modified popsicle stick. I also use a pinch of shafting beads, literally a pinch, about enough to stick to the end of the popsicle stick, and mix it in at the same time. I tested them at the driving range and didn't encounter any problems with rattling or looseness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.